Hey everyone, it's Matt with Those Dyno Guys, and I just got done with David's bike. It was a 2021 Street Glide, and I wanted to share this result because it's extremely telling what can be done with just simple modifications before you even get your dyno tuned. Now, this was the baseline run over, all we did was add the Chromeworks louvered baffles to both mufflers and pulled another run. The beginning baseline was at 10:10 this morning, and the second run with the baffles installed was at 10:37 a.m. Again, I hadn't even plugged the tuner into it yet. This was just a baffle mod. So, pretty telling. At the end, we ended up with 119.38 horsepower and 135 torque. At 3,000 RPMs, he came in with 96 foot-pounds of torque at 3 grand, and now he's leaving with 126 foot-pounds of torque at 3 grand. So you're talking 30 foot-pounds of torque. And not only that, almost 20 horse at that same area. So all I did was pull that ventilator air cleaner cover off and made another run. As you see up here in the run notes, it was 4 minutes later. So that's just with the air filter off, and made a run. So that filter was holding it back 4 horsepower. So I hope you like that little tutorial. It's just an example of how you can make big changes if you just put the right parts together, and that's where experience matters. So I hope you all enjoyed this. Again, this is an example of how you can manipulate the power curve with exhaust. Take care, everyone.